Hello. Thank you for calling Restaurant Music. For information about Illegal Ambient, Volume 1, please stay on the line. Restaurant Music, Illegal Ambient, Volume 1, will occur this Friday, August 23rd, at 11:58 p.m. The concert will feature poolside ambient performances by Galaxy Express 555 and Free Music. The concert will also feature a light show by Falena Balena. The music will continue until, or unless, police arrive. If they do not,
And they're not gonna.
Midori Takada's Through the Looking Glass, originally released in 1983, will be played on CD afterwards. It is a beautiful record. The concert will be held at the following coordinates: 44 degrees, 54 minutes, 57.4 seconds, north, and 93 degrees, 12 minutes, 17.3 seconds, west. If, like me, you were wondering, you would write this as 44, then a degrees symbol, then 54, then a single quotation mark, then 57.4, then two quotation marks, then the letter N for north, then 93, then a degrees symbol, then 12, then a single quotation mark, then 17.3 and two quotation marks, then a W for west. Please consider biking to the event,
If you
or
can.
if you drive, please consider parking on 46th Avenue near 46th Street and walking from there, so that we might keep our profile a bit lower.
Thanks for listening. Hope to see you there.